If the rear washer jet doesn't work in your Fiesta, it most likely means that it has gathered some slime because you don't use it very often, and it means that this slime from the washer fluid may gather there and block this tube. And what you need to do, you need to disconnect the pipe from the washer pump, you need to disconnect the pipe from the jet, and then use some compressed air from any compressor, not really powerful compressor, but still, to move away this slime. So if it goes out, you just connect everything back and everything should work properly. In my car, there was a problem that this tube was disconnected from the jet. I have a hatchback Fiesta, so it was disconnected, and I had a garage disassemble some parts of the back door of my car and connect everything back for like 20 euros. But of course, it all depends on where you live. It's almost never the problem with the pump because the Fiesta uses one pump, single pump for the rear washer and the front washer. And if your front washer works, it's probably not a problem with the pump, but with the slime blockage in the pipe, in the tube that leads to this jet.